Hey, I'm back and it's time for another FrockBox try on. I'm super excited. I loved my box last month and I find myself looking forwarder and forwarder to these boxes each month as I keep getting them. So let's see what I got in this month's FrockBox. To recap quickly, FrockBox is a clothing subscription box. You pay $24.95 each month, or however often you want to receive them, and they send you 5 different clothing items which you can choose to pay for. If you keep everything in the box, you get 25% off. If you keep less than everything, you get your $24.95 off that you paid for the service as like a discount applied to your order. Another notable fact, I live in Edmonton, Alberta, and FrockBox is out of St. Albert, Alberta, which is awesome because I'm also supporting local. So let's go ahead and go through these items. The first item they sent, as you can see here, is what they call a long sleeve open front blazer with a self belt. This is from the brand Black Tape. This is made in Mexico. It's a size large and it is made out of 100% polyester. And it is $64.99. The color is beautiful. It's kind of a dusty rose and kind of like greeny black color. The next item they sent were these loafers. So these are genuine leather loafers from the brand Mim. These are size 7. You can see I wore them outside already. Spoilers. These are loafers accented with triangle cut design, and these are $64.99. So yeah, genuine leather. They have a small stiff sound when you walk around with them, which I really like, and kind of a fleshy toned leather color. The next item for me to check out was this faux wrap blouse with button pockets and roll tab sleeves. It's got a collar on it again. This is by the brand Laura Fashion. This is an extra large shirt. I really like the material of this one. It's very soft. 96% rayon and 4% spandex. And this is made in China. You can see it kind of has a wraparound effect at the front of it. A little bit different. Next are these high-rise skinny jeans with exposed button fly. These are light wash denim. They're from the brand Hammer Jeans. It's a size 15 jeans. And these are $64.95. These are again made in China. And they are 54% cotton, 44% Syro rayon. Never heard of that. And 2% spandex. You can see they have that button fly detail and some very carefully constructed holes. And the last item they sent this month is this embroidered surplice dress with side pockets. And again, it's got kind of a wraparound front with a shirred, I believe is the term. Shirring apparently is very in this season. This shirred belt detail. And a lovely bright yellow color. This is from the brand Blushing Heart. It's also made in China. Size large, $69.95. This is 100% rayon, made in China, and it's got pockets. Amazing. That's it for everything they sent this month. So let me start with the embroidered dress and try it on. So as you can see, it's super cute. It's got these adorable sleeve tabs on the side. The front has a snap for modesty, I guess, which I really actually do like. And the shirred waist makes it a really great fit. Super easy to wear. Love the pockets. The length goes right down to your fingertips. So for me, it's like borderline okay for work, although I could see myself wearing it with like leggings underneath. And the material almost looks and feels like a light denim. It's kind of got that denim type weave. And of course the embroidered flower details on the front. Overall, a really, really cute item. But at $70 for this item, I don't know, I think it's a little bit expensive, although it does feel like a very nice quality item. And of course, these shoes are amazing. I, again, was very nervous trying on shoes sent from a subscription box. You never know if they're gonna fit or not. But my feet slid right in. It's a perfect fit. The leather feels amazing on your feet. I don't know how many pairs of leather shoes I've actually owned in my life, but they feel like a treat, and I love the color, the look, the sound. This is fabulous, and I also can't believe that they fit. They do suggest pairing the loafers with the faux wrap blouse and the jeans. So the jeans, again, miraculously fit. They're a size 15, and if anything, they're maybe a little bit tight around the hips and waist, but a very comfortable fit. $64 though. I think I could find a slightly better fitting jean that's a little bit more flattering. And personally, I'm not a huge fan of this light wash denim, just because at my work, you're supposed to wear like dark denim or like black pants. So I feel like these would be a little bit more limiting and maybe not work appropriate for my situation. The shirt was really cute. Again, I'm not a huge fan of the super light colors because I spill all over like my boobs when I drink hot chocolate or when I eat food. But I love this like natural looking color. I love the weave of the fabric. I like the like slouchy look to it. It is a little risky because like if the wind blew the wrong way, your stomach would be exposed. But I feel like overall it's got some like really nice coverage on it, and it's very cute details with that front wrap. And I do love the sleeves too. It's also very soft to touch. Very, very nice. This one's $49.99, which honestly I feel is a little bit outside of my comfort range for price as well. I feel like maybe because I loved everything last month and kept everything, they maybe got a little cocky with like the prices of things. So everything in this box was either $64 or $69, except for this one shirt, which was $50, which, I mean, I like it, but I can't afford to spend that much on clothes every month. Finally, taking a look at the long sleeve open front blazer. I decided to just try these on with a black tank and the jeans that they sent with me. And what can I say? I like the construction of this garment. It's got some beautifully finished seams, which like I would have never seen myself saying that previously, but now that I've taken up sewing, they've got like a ribbon on the back seam there. Everything else looks nicely serged and stitched. It looks great. I just don't think the cut is quite right for me. I feel like it's a little like 80s power suit, but then it like goes something else at the bottom. And the sleeves with the cuffs, I don't know. I just don't feel like I was feeling the vibes here. I would prefer maybe something a little bit flowier and like organic rather than this like structured blazer style. So again, it's cute and I love the pattern and the color, but for $65, I think I could find something a little bit more overall my look. What does that mean for this month's box? I think I am not going to be keeping anything except for these shoes, which I am just so in love with. These shoes are just like blowing my mind, rocking my world. I would never try these on in a store. Never ever. I liked everything in the box. Everything just wasn't quite right. And this dress I would have really considered keeping if it was more along like the $50 price point. But $70, I mean, pockets are nice, but like they're not $70 nice, if you know what I mean. So it kind of makes me wonder if I shouldn't email them and let them know the budget is maybe a little bit too high. But at the same time, I like trying on, and I feel like I would pay if everything was just perfect and I absolutely fell in love, as you saw last month. I guess now is a good time to confess to you guys. I did not actually give them feedback last month. I think because I just kept everything and I was kind of like happy with everything. I didn't feel as motivated to give them feedback on my items. So when I give them the feedback for this July box, I'm also going to give them the feedback for my previous blocks, which I should have done immediately. But whatever, sometimes it's fun to slack off. That is a look at this month's FrockBox. Let me know, what did you think? Did you like any of these items on me? Did you think any of them were wrong for me? I also want to show you one more thing. You guys remember that white jacket I received last month? Well, my mom took it home with her and she actually tie-dyed it. And she tie-dyed it like gray to ombre white to pink. And I am freaking so happy with this. I 100% love it so much more now that it's not just like pure white. Thank you so much, Mom. Anyway guys, that is it for this month's FrockBox. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below. Let me see what other type of content you'd like to see from me. I've had such great feedback on these fashion videos, which is amazing to hear. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and being okay with my slightly chubbier figure here. And also this month I was like super sweaty. It's like 30 degrees Celsius here and it's the end of a work day, and I was just like, we're gonna try this stuff on, see how it feels under these hot lights. But it's still a ton of fun. I really love doing this and it's really blowing my fashion mind. So again, with that, thank you guys so much. Huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these videos to you guys. Without your support, I would not be creating these videos. So again, thank you so much. And with that, I will see you all in Thursday's beauty video. Bye for now.